Okay. Good morning, all. We are going to start today IPR ethical aspects of biotechnology. What are the ethical aspects of biotechnology? So, I have taught you that what are the ethical aspects of biotechnology in which affects the agriculture part, that is in our decision making, with ethics affects our decision making, whether it is right or wrong. We have to decide it ethically. So biotechnology advancement and biotechnology modifications are all supported by ethics. Ethics can apply in legal, food, medicine, environment. Ethics applied in ethics in legal aspect. Ethics has got some legal aspect which we have discussed. Morality of ethics has been discussed. Ethics in developing and poor countries. That poor countries economically they are affected, and they can't afford, and so they are not even able to use the genetically modified crops or genetically modified food products and different varieties of crops. They are not able to use them. So this is economically because they because its cost is too much high, so they are not able to afford that. So no, normal people are not able to use the genetically modified crops. Everything has substituted. For example, sugarcane, if we are talking about, sugarcane has been modified and used as sugar, or use a syrup. So syrup is taken by people. Mostly people take syrup. So nowadays export of sugarcane is not taking place. Why? Because sugar syrup is substituted by sugarcane. So people are going for sugar syrups. So this is the change in society and what it has effect on developing countries. We have seen it has got a great effect on developing countries. Loss of genetic diversity, loss of individual genes, and combination of genes happens in this effect on biodiversity. Biotechnology produces disease-free seeds, which farmers find beneficial in increasing yields. There are different biotechnological products, for example, crops which are disease free. Seeds has been developed which are disease free. So IPR rights elevate the cost of seeds. Because of applying IPR rights, there is a drawback of IPR rights. That if IPR rights are applied, its cost is too high. So normal people are not able to afford it. Now we will see the effect of genetically modified foods. We have seen the legal aspect, and on the aspect effect of genetically modified food crops on developing countries. Now we are going to now I'm going to teach you the genetically modified foods. 75% of processed foods produced in the US contain some genetically modified ingredients. That means that most of the food nowadays available has got genetically modified ingredients in that. If even if we're talking about cooking oils, breakfast cereals, genetically modified foods like soy, cotton, canola, corn, sugar beets, Hawaiian papaya, squash, everything is genetically modified. Advances in biotechnology now allows the production of plants with novel traits, such as longer. What are the advantages of biotechnology? Biotechnology has done advancement. Biotechnology has done so much advancement that it is producing genetically modified crops. What are the crops they are producing? They are producing some traits in crops. What are the traits? Longer shelf life, increased nutrient content, that is, you can keep it for longer time. You can store the food content for longer time. It's not like old days. You can't keep a food for a long time, it will get spoiled. Nowadays everything is modified, everything is modified food. So modified food has got an advantage over normal food is that It can be used for longer time, and it won't get spoiled. The benefit of this food is that it won't get spoiled. Its shelf life is longer, nutrient content is also longer, drought resistant. Every good quality is modified into that crop. Genetically modified crops means providing you many more things than normal crop provides us. New opportunities for increasing agriculture production, feeding the world. New variety of crops can feed the world in better way. Genetic engineering can be used in a variety of way. The most amazing part of genetic engineering is that what is genetic engineering? Modifying of genes available in an organism or in humans. So we can modify genes in food products, in plants, in different varieties of food products and plants. So we are modifying genes. Okay. So remove genes associated with allergy. What if we can remove the genes associated with the allergies? The gene that produce allergenic protein in peanuts. Some people has got this is a very important part of genetically modified foods. I'm teaching you. That is, some people has got allergies. ठीक है, कुछ लोगों को allergies होता है. They have got allergies, and they have got allergies from, for example, peanuts खाने से ठसका लग जाता है. They have got allergies, they have got some breathing problem with that, and they have to suddenly taken to the hospital if they are having peanuts. So peanuts has got allergy to the body of some people. What we can do for this allergy is that nowadays it is available. Genetic engineering is available. So genetic engineering is providing you a facility that you can remove the genes food products from that food products which are producing allergenic protein in peanuts. You are removing gene from peanuts. The proteins, allergenic proteins, the proteins which are actually causing allergy to the particular person, the allergenic protein has been removed or can be blocked. If the allergenic protein is blocked, then there won't be any allergy by that peanut. You can consume the peanut. This is a big advantage. This is a big